Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: your device, current password attempts, and recovery phone or email. Sign in now to account. Microsoft. This triggers the security flow. Once done, check for immediate prompts, multi-factor verification codes, or unusual activity alerts so you know the exact block. If prompted for an app password or device verification, follow the on-screen steps. This first sequence isolates whether the issue is credentials, MFA, or account hold, and it speeds the repair route. Next, you dive into account security settings to identify the cause. Open recent activity and look for failed sign-ins or unfamiliar locations. Mark these as not you and block the device. Then revoke current sessions and immediately change your password to a strong, unique passphrase. That stops ongoing attacks. Also, resync or reinstall the Authenticator app and verify system time, because time drift often breaks MFA codes. These actions remove persistent blocks and restore legitimate access paths. Finally, sign out of all devices and sign back in using the new password and freshly synced Authenticator or an SMS code. Make sure two-step verification is enabled and write down recovery codes. Store them offline where you can retrieve them if your phone is lost. If the account remains locked, complete the Microsoft account recovery form precisely. Use exact previous passwords and recent email subjects, because accuracy drives success. One key tip: if recovery fails, wait 24 hours after changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.